I'm showing you how to inflate a foil number 2 balloon with air. You're going to need a hand pump, and look for this disc here. It's usually on a long tab. You've got several tabs around the balloon, but the valve that you need is usually on a longer tab, and it has this silver disc. So insert your hand pump there, insert the nozzle and inflate. This is an air-filled balloon, so it will not float. And just keep inflating. This is in real time. Just keep inflating and you'll see that the balloon is starting to inflate. So as you get to this point, this balloon is not yet fully inflated, but we're very close. So at this point you need to start to be very careful, because it will be very easy to overinflate the balloon and pop it. So now proceed more slowly. To be sure that the balloon is fully inflated, just press down. The balloon should feel firm when you press down here, but if you turn the balloon to the side, the balloon should still be creased. You still want some creases here, and when you run your fingers along the seam of the balloon, it should just ping back, so we can tell that balloon is fully inflated. And please be aware that the air inside the balloon will shrink if it's in a cold environment. If you take it outside and it's cold, and the balloon will appear to deflate. If all you need to do is put the balloon in a warmer environment, and the air inside the balloon will expand and the balloon will perk up again. It will start to look fully inflated.